One of the most frustrating things about Windows is that it often updates silently without any notifications. You may encounter a situation where it reboots or pops up a window while you're working or gaming. This video will show you how to turn it off. Click and expand the Windows icon at the bottom left corner and open Settings. Go to the Update and Security entry and press the Windows Update item on the left side. Then click the Pause Updates for 7 days button on the right panel. Then, you'll see the date that updates will start again. You can always stop Windows updates before that date, or click Resume Updates, hit the Advanced options, and select a proper date from the Pause Until drop-down menu. If you don't want to turn off the automatic update very often, this method will shut down at once and for all. Press the Windows plus R keys on your keyboard to open the Run dialog. Type Services, MSC into the box, and press the Enter key. Scroll down to find the Windows Update entry in the Services dialog. Right-click on it and choose Properties. Pull down the Startup Type menu and choose Disable. Next, click the OK or Apply button to confirm stopping updates on Windows. The group policy can also be considered a way to stop Windows automatic updates permanently. Check it out. Open the Run dialog and enter gpedit MSC into the box and click the OK button. Click and expand the Computer Configuration entry, then expand Administrative Templates and Windows Components successively. Then, find the Windows Update entry on the left panel. Click and expand it, and click on the Configure Automatic Updates option. Select Enabled, and then choose Notify for Download and Auto Install option under the Options panel. Hit the OK button to confirm the changes and close the dialog. Open the Start menu at the bottom left corner. Search for Windows Update Settings and select it from the result. Next, restart your PC to finish the settings. Now, Auto Update Windows will be stopped, and you can get a notification once there is an update. In addition, you can stop automatic updates in Windows by turning on the metered connection. It will limit the data traffic while using and stop updating and downloading once the package size surpasses the valve. Enter the settings in Windows. Locate Windows Updates and turn download updates over metered connections on. Another way to stop Windows updates automatically is using Command Prompt. Press the Windows button plus R on the keyboard. Type CMD and press Enter. Type netstop-wzrv and press Enter. Then, the update is turned off. However, if you find your files were lost or damaged after the Windows update, you can use ICSoft Data Recovery to restore them. Launch the data recovery software after installing it on your PC. Then, choose the disk that you want to recover and click Start Scan. After the scan is complete, you can find all data are categorized in different folders by data type. Select the data type, and click the folder to see all the files. To view the data details, you need to choose and click Recover. Wait for a while to complete the data recovery process. Sooner, you will be notified with the Recovery Finished notification. Click Open Folder to access the recovered files quickly. Following the guide above, you should understand how to stop updates on Windows 11 and 10, so that you can control the update and trigger it at your convenience. Anyway, I hope you guys liked this video, and I see you next time.